Thank you for stopping in. Welcome to my channel for my Thanksgiving edition. We're going to cook us some dressing. So we need just a cream of celery, cream of mushroom, and this meat came from my turkey, which I put baked chicken in a turkey neck. Day-old cornbread, and this is the juice from the turkey. We do not use no canned broth, none of that. Get you a big bowl because that's what's going to work. So pour your cornbread in a bowl. Then in a separate bowl, you're gonna put your cream of celery and your cream of mushroom in that one bowl. It just didn't act like it didn't want to come out for some reason, but come on out. So get you another bowl. So when you do any kind of drippings like this, you want to pour off the top because all the seasoning is down at the bottom. So yes, I separated. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in there. But that other juice, I'm making me some gravy with that. I'm still gonna use that. So you're going to whisk this together till it's all the way combined, all the way together, just like that. And then you're gonna set this to the side. And trust me, when I say trust the process with this, everything is going to work. So here go the chicken that I cooked with my turkey. I cooked it in the same pan as my turkey and the turkey neck. But y'all, I ate most of the turkey neck. I ain't even gonna cap because baby, it was too good. So, yeah, go ahead and shred up your meat inside your cornbread. And let's get this butter. I'm going to say that because that's going to be for my dressing. Melt you just a little stick of, not a little stick, a little bit of butter. So I'm going to go in with my sage and my potpourri. Yes. I don't really have to put too much seasoning because that turkey had a lot of seasoning. So I'm going to pour all that in there and I'm going to mush this together. Before y'all get in the comments talking shit, these gloves I only use for cooking. I don't use them for nothing else. I don't use them to clean dish, none of that. I clean, if I want to season some food and I want it on my hands, I use that. But anywho, you mix this all together. So yes, I did that separately because I like the juice to soak up. So go ahead and cut up your onions, celery, and bell peppers. Go ahead and put that in the skillet, saute it down. So yeah, this the celery. Yeah, so I know y'all like, why she didn't cook that butter? No, I do this separately because I want some of that juice to ramen. So go ahead and pour that. They call it the Holy Trinity inside there, and you go ahead and mush this all together. So you can do your little taste test if you need to add in a little broth, add in a little bit more broth. But if it's to your liking, but you don't want it runny, go ahead. We're going to grease that pan with some butter, melted butter, and we're going to put this in a pan and you are going to smooth this out. You see how thick this look? You see how it's not runny? This is how you want it to be because I hate mushy cornbread. So go ahead and flatten this out. Put it in your oven on 400 and you want it to come out to a crispy brown, which is this. Voila. Look at my chicken dressing. This is so good. When I say they ate this up, they left no crumbs behind. But thank you for tuning in with my Thanksgiving edition of me cooking dressing.